I'll give you my stimmy if you rub my Jimmy. All right, so my buddy Nick came down from New Jersey, and somehow I managed to do that. Literally just doing a small turnaround so we could hit this roundabout. But Nick's coming in clutch with the trailer.
Yeah, coming in clutch all day.
We're gonna try to load this with a broken tie rod. What's crazy is it's not the tie rod that broke. The tie rod is literally still connected. It's the knuckle that broke. Manually turn the wheel as I back up. Fun times.
Probably from the AC.
You had the AC running?
Yeah.
Okay.
I shut it off here and there, but
Let me see. Alright, so we'll try to get in there. So yeah, that's a problem. That needs to be connected to something. So yeah, we're gonna try to. Here you go, you can pull it again.
Welcome to life with Zach Calvin.
Yeah.
Where you get roped into this.
Thank you for a great vacation.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping out, though. Because I can actually.
Yo, honestly, you don't even trap it.
Yeah?
I promise you.
Okay.
I'll drive all the time. I just drive really slow.
Okay. I'll probably sit in the car then.
Why?
You want to sit in the car with me just to hold the handbrake?
Dude, dude, it's not gonna go anywhere. You think it'll roll because it's in here?
I just don't trust it, yeah. I'll just ride in it. I don't mind. Race car entry. All right, so we made it back. Nick is gonna do the honors of driving it off since it's his trailer. He's gonna pull forward so we have a little more room to roll it back. And then we'll try to get it in the garage. Alrighty. Let me not run over this water bottle. What's crazy is the car is not hot at all. I usually keep it garaged, so it's not out in the sun. But I just got in it and it's honestly about the same temperature as outside. But that's just because the front windshield and all the side windshields are ceramic tinted. My buddy Mitchell's Tinting in Daytona Beach did this car, actually all my cars for me. And I didn't realize how much the ceramic actually makes a difference. So if you're interested in tinting, reach out to Mitchell's Tinting, tell him I sent you and he will hook you up. Let's try to back this girl up. Factory cam, believe it or not. So what's weird is the car wasn't going into reverse very easily. Yeah, even now it's like, this is weird. You have to cram it over there. I don't know why it's doing that. That's concerning. All right, it's in reverse now. This is gonna suck. Look to see how bad the front wheel is. So again, still straight and still not straight. I'm worried that that's gonna hit that. Let's just see what happens, I guess. So that broke completely off the knuckle, and it marred up my front brake rotor a little bit because it's kind of like stuck behind the knuckle. So that sucks. Alright, so this is the problem. Bring the camera on in here. This should be connected to this. Yeah. So super weird. I honestly don't know what to say. But yeah, that's a problem. So I need to get a new knuckle made. Let me show you all what I think happened. So these are the factory knuckles. Let me pull one of these aside. Now you'll notice where the tie rod pickup point is, it has this little, I don't even know what you want to call it, but this little piece, and that strengthens the tie rod mounting location. The milled down knuckle. Why are you in the video? Huh? Why are you in the video? So hard to find good help these days. The milled down knuckle doesn't have that there in order to fit this plate. And this plate is what essentially allows us to go to a single pickup point lower control arm. So you retain the factory pickup point for the tie rod, but you do sacrifice some strength. Now, it makes no sense to me because I literally was just turning the car to warm up, scrub in the front tires, and it snapped. But my guess is at the Freedom Factory or something, I must have had a hairline crack here or something that weakened it. So it just gave out. But we do have the new knuckles. I'm sending them out to Robbie. He's going to go ahead and mill these down and also send me a spare one. So I'll have a spare set of knuckles. I'll have a spare set of knuckle brackets, and might even order another set of lower control arms from them. That way, if anything breaks when I'm at the track, I at least have it to replace. But the good news, or the silver lining to this is, since I can't drive this car, I'm gonna go ahead and weld the diff on Nicole Z, and I'm also gonna go ahead and install the parts that I currently have for the C5. I was waiting for the suspension. BC is redesigning their lower mount for the C5 coilovers, so I'm waiting on that new design to come out before I get coilovers from them. However, I do have the angle kit, the hydro, the wheels, the seats, everything else minus the coilovers. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that on this. That'll be the next video most likely, and we're gonna start sliding that. Someone, I'm not gonna say too much, someone else is gonna be the owner of this vehicle, and it could be one of you lucky viewers. All right, so that wraps up this video. This car is gonna be down probably for like a week while I wait on parts, but I'm super motivated to finish the C5 Z06. We're gonna drive hopefully this Sunday with Kenny Slides and the boys in Fort Myers. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time.